Hello guys, now I wanna present our final project about TOEFL. And before we begin our video, I wanna introduce our group. Start for me, my name is Lailina Rizkia, and my friend his name is Rahman, and my friend her name is Ulfa Ahmad Farid. And don't forget to watching until end guys.
Number 1. The report blah 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 before it was presented to the board. A. Completes. B. Was completed. C. Had completed. D. Is completing. So the correct answer is B. Was completed. Because A. Completed is wrong. Because active form, the subject report should receive the action, not do it. B. Was completed is correct. Because past passive form correct. Because the report was finished before is what presented. C. Had completed is wrong. Because past perfect active, not a passive contraction. D. Is completing is wrong. Because present continuous active, wrong stand and voice. Number 2. She avoided blah 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 about the issue during the meeting. A. To speak. B. Speak. C. Speaking. D. Being spoken. The correct answer is C. Speaking. Because A. To speak is wrong. Because avoid is not followed by an infinitive. B. Speaks is wrong. Because verb is not allowed after the avoid. C. Speaking is correct. Because avoid must be followed by a gerund. D. Being spoken is wrong. Because passive form, the meaning is incorrect.
Number 3. The bridge blah 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 when the heavy storm hit the area. A. Repaired. B. Was repaired. C. Was being repaired. And D. Has been repaired. The correct answer is C. Was being repaired. The explanation is A. Repaired is wrong because incomplete because there is no auxiliary verb. B. Was repaired is wrong because shows a completed action, not an action in progress happening. D. Has been repaired is wrong because present perfect, not stable for a specific past time. Number 4. He denied blah 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 the confidential information. A. To leak. B. Leak. C. Leaking. And D. Being leaked. The correct answer is C. Leaking. The explanation is A. To leak is wrong because Danny is not followed by an infinitive. B. Leak is wrong because verb is not correct after Danny. C. Leaking is correct because Danny is followed by an active gerund because the subject performed the action. D. Being liquid is wrong because passive form changes the intended meaning. Number 5. Several errors blah 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 in the original document. A. Found. B. Were found. C. Are finding. D. Have finding. The correct answer is B. Were found. The explanation is A. Found is wrong because no auxiliary verb, so the structure is incomplete. B. On is correct because simple past passive, correct and complete structure. C. Are finding is wrong because active form with an incorrect subject. D. Have finding is wrong because incorrect structure have cannot be followed by verb ing. Number 6. The student complained about blah 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 too much homework. A. Give. B. Giving. C. Being given. D. To be given. The correct answer is C. Being given. The explanation is A. Give is wrong because bare verb is incorrect after a preposition. B. Giving is wrong because active form. Students are not the ones giving homework. C. Being given is correct because passive gerund about is a preposition and must be followed by a gerund. D. To be given is wrong because infinitive cannot be used after a preposition.
Number 7. The decision blah 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 by the manager last Friday. What should we focus on? There are two main points. The first is the subject is the decision, it is a thing, so it cannot do an action. And the second is the time signal is last Friday, it's so past time. What form is need because the decision received the action and the time is in the past. And the sentence needs simple past passive and the formula is was or were plus verb 3. So the correct answer is was made. Why is the correct answer was made? Because was so past tense and made is verb 3. And the passive form so that the decision is made, not making something. So was made is grammatically correct and meaningful. And why are the other options wrong? Because makes, active voice and present tense is made passive but present tense not suitable for last Friday, and has made, active voice and decision cannot be the door. If there is past time, a non-living subject, we use past passive. So for number 7, the correct answer is was made. Number 8. She regretted blah 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 her opinion during the discussion. What should we focus on? The keyword is regretted. Important rule about regret. Regret plus verb ing, to feel sorry about something that already happened. Regret plus to verb used to give bad news, and this sentence so personal regret, not an announcement. So the correct answer is expressing. Why is the correct answer expressing? Because expressing is a gerund and it's so regret about an action that already happened, so the meaning is clear and correct. And why are the other options wrong? To express, use for formal announcement, not personal regret. Express, bare verb not allowed after regret, and being expressed passive form but the meaning does not fit the context. If regret means feeling sorry, use verb ing. So the correct answer for number 8 is expressing. Number 9. The files blah 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 before the system suddenly crashed. What should we focus on? Before show time order, crash past tense, and the files thing not people. What is the time order? The first, the file are deleted, the system crash. The first action happened earlier. What form is need? Earlier past action, past perfect. Subject is a thing, passive, and the formula had been plus verb 3. So the correct answer for number 9 is had been deleted. Why is the correct answer had been deleted? Because had been so past perfect passive, delete is verb 3 and the time order is clear and logical. And why are the other options wrong? Because delete no tense, where deleting active form file cannot delete something and have delete present perfect not switchable with crash. If there is before plus 2 past action, the earlier one use past perfect. So the correct answer for number 9 is had been deleted. And the last exercise, he insisted on blah 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 fairly by the interview panel. What should we focus on? There are 3 key points. The first is on, and the second is by the interview panel, and the last is fairly. Grammar rule, on is a preposition. After a preposition, we use verb ing, and by so passive voice. What form is need? Being plus verb 3. So the correct answer for the last exercise is being treated. Why is the correct answer being treated? Being is a gerund, treated is a passive. The meaning is he wants to receive fair treatment. And why are the other options wrong? Treating active wrong meaning. Treat bare verb after preposition. To be treated infinitive after on is not allowed. If there is preposition plus by, use passive gerund. So the correct answer for the last exercise is being treated.